Hi everybody, my name is Greg and I'm coming to you from Greg's Creative Lab. In this session of What You See, we're going to look at a typographic solution for a particular company where the symbol also represents what the company does. Before I talk to you about what the logo design is, I'm going to show you the primary imagery behind the logo and let you think about what it looks like. So here we have it. I created this graphic symbol which will be the center focus point of the logo for this particular company. With this particular symbol, I have a couple of questions that I want you to think about. So what do you see? Does it look technical? Does it look computer? Does it look man-made, or does it look natural? Something from nature, perhaps. Of course, in my questions, I'm giving you clues. So take a minute and you decide what this symbol could represent. As always, we want a good, clean, simple solution to any logo and every brand that we do. So I'll go ahead and show you how this symbol is utilized to represent what the company does. And there's my solution. This company is called Acron Landscaping Services. And with this particular solution, every now and then we get lucky as designers and brand marketers. We have a company that just tells you what the solution should be, right? So since the company's name is Acron, I created a graphic of an acorn, but the way I worked it into the final typographic solution, as you can see here, the acorn also becomes the letter form O in acorn. So here we have the final solution of Acron Landscaping Services. This particular company name lends itself well to this solution. The graphic symbol is the acorn, and then I replace the letter O in acorn with the symbol so it reads acorn, but it also shows you that this is a landscaping company. And from a simple typographic solution, I can show you here where we have the unique edges of each letter form. I picked up on the little top of the acorn here. So typographically, I'm blending some of the technical treatments of the acorn in with the typography. So I hope you like this simple solution, Acron Landscaping Services. So the next time you see a truck or a van pulling through your neighborhood with trees or landscaping equipment, plants behind them, and they've got the logo Acron Landscaping Services, every time you see Acron and you see this logo, you will know that you have a landscaping service company in your backyard. Thank you for watching today's session from Greg's Creative Lab and What You See, the concept, the visual imagery, and the messaging behind great logos. Anyway, that was a stupid thing to say. It's a landscape service company. So the next time you see a truck or van pulling through